Ito ang Basilica of the National Shrine of the Immaculate Conception. Ito ang pinakamalaking katolikong simbahan sa Amerika. Natapos noong 1959, isa rin ito sa pinakamagagandang simbahan sa buong mundo. Maraming Pilipinong nagsisimba rito tuwing linggo at natanong rin natin ang ilan sa kanila tungkol sa paghihigpit ni President Donald Trump sa mga refugees at immigrants sa Estados Unidos.
For me, that is security. Security of the United States. That's what it means.
Is it fine with you?
It is. We have to preserve this country.
That's for the security of the citizen here.
Parang hindi siya fair kasi parang it's becoming general na nilalagyan ka ng tag. You came from a Muslim country and then that's it. So, not all Muslims are yung sabi nila is associated with terrorists or violence or whatever you call that.
I'm not fully well versed on what's going on with this Trump executive order and everything, but I believe that the Catholic Church truly believes that closing off your walls and preventing other people from other countries to be able to come here and partake of what's the best for common good is not highly encouraged.
Hatiman ang opinyon ng mga Pilipino, isang bagay ang sigurado. Maapektuhan ng patakaran ni Trump ang pagtingin sa mga immigrant, marami sa kanila ay Pilipino. Paterno S. Makel Rappler, Washington, D.C.